Hello traders! In this video, we'll show you how to install RF Trader on your computer. We'll start by opening Google Chrome, where the platform works best because it's optimized primarily for Google Chrome. After opening the browser, enter this platform link into the address bar. Depending on whether we want to trade on a funded account or a free trial account, we fill in the details in this field. If we want to trade on a competition account, we click the competition button and log in through this link. You can find your account details in your email or in the member area. After logging into your account, RF Trader will automatically offer you the installation. If you click yes in this window, a shortcut to the platform will be created on your desktop immediately. In case you accidentally didn't click yes, or the installation pop-up didn't appear, you can install RF Trader manually by clicking the button in the top panel. Also, right after the installation is completed, a shortcut to the platform will be created on your home screen. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our customer support, where we'll be happy to help.